Hi. Topic of this article: Personal Statement for Scholarship. Writing a Prominent Essay. Published on the www.essayedge.com website. Editing and proofreading service for applications for admissions to college and graduate school. We give $25 with the promo code Best Editing. So, let's move on to maintenance. Entering the university of your dream is an event that can change your whole life, but sometimes it appears to be an unaffordable thing. However, more possible it becomes with a personal statement for scholarship. If you are wondering how a piece of writing can help you change your life, this article is to explain the importance of this essay. Scholarship Personal Statement. What is the importance of this essay? Many people are struggling with university admission for many reasons. Someone doesn't have enough time or willingness, or someone, vice versa, has time, knowledge, and desire but doesn't have enough money to pay for the whole educational process. Even if money isn't the critical trouble, getting the scholarship may be an excellent point in your future CV, as it will prove that you have enough motivation and skills to receive a scholarship. One of the requirements is to submit your scholarship application with the scholarship personal statement. It is a crucial essay as, through the words, you can have a kind of face-to-face conversation with the scholarship committee. A well-written essay can rapidly increase your chances of getting the allowance. Therefore, you must take it seriously and allocate some time for covering all essential topics and, finally, for writing. Many students find it challenging to make up their thoughts and write scholarship essays worth even reading. Here is your chance to prove yourself and demonstrate that you are the one who is worth getting the scholarship. How to write a personal statement for scholarship. A well-written essay can change a lot, mostly when we talk about scholarship's personal statement. To illustrate your desire and ability to study in particular universities, you have to insert as much crucial information as possible into your essay. The thing is that the scholarship committee will undoubtedly take into consideration a well-written essay. Therefore, what do you need for it? Your essay must contain 3 paragraphs. Introduction. Here you must begin your story with a gripping fact. Tell about something that impressed you and changed your mind, something that determined your decision about the future specialization. It may be a story from childhood, a piece of the conversation, a film that had impressed you, and you decided to do particular things in the future. Main body paragraph. It is a paragraph where you have to narrate both your educational and personal background. You must provide as much information as possible to cover all aspects of your life that are somehow related to your specialization choice. Don't neglect to include all essential information in this paragraph. Your skills, abilities, places where you worked and what you learned from that experience, courses that somehow changed your mind, and, finally, connect that all with the story of your life. Conclusion. The last paragraph of your scholarship statement should tell the reader about your future intentions and perspectives. Explain how the scholarship may help you implicate your purposes in your life and how it will help you and the people around you. Try not to provide abstract and uncertain information here. Speak your mind and keep it real. Having this content in your paragraphs may increase your chances of receiving the scholarship approval, as a well-written personal statement scholarships committee will admit as one that is worth attention. Scholarship Personal Statements Tips. If you are struggling with how to write a personal statement for scholarship, these tips are to help you cope with this challenging task. Write sincerely. Yes, it is the main rule of every essay. You have to be honest and write only the facts and data related to your experience and background. Even if you use some samples, don't write about something that you can't prove. Stick to the requirements. One of the steps to success is to keep your essay at the right length. As a rule, the perfect word limit is 500 to 700 words. Try to stick to it and not write a lot. Don't forget to double-space the essay and use a readable font. It is a part of the visual impression of your writing. Find your inspiration. The writing process may seem exhausting and tedious, especially if you are not such a fan of writing. Read some articles about scholarship personal statements writing and take to your mind some crucial tips and tricks. Moreover, you can refer to the scholarship personal statement sample and find something similar to your story. Reading such examples can make a writing pattern in your mind, and it may be easier for you to write your essay. Peruse and check it. In case you have the essay in front of your eyes, peruse it as many times as even possible. While reading it, again and again, you can find some mistakes or understand that some data is not necessary or, on the contrary, something is missing. If you feel that you are stuck and have doubts about anything, you can refer to a college editing service. Professional editors can point on the things that must be improved and help you deal with any arising issues. Ask for peer feedback. And again, if you are not sure about something, ask your friends, colleagues, or relatives to read your essay from the perspective of the person who doesn't know you. Their feedback may bring up some ideas for developing your essay into a better one. Provide particular examples. Your aim is not to describe but to prove. If you are writing about a skill you have, don't forget to strengthen it with a case you had. For instance, if you write that you have good leadership and teamwork skills, you have to reinforce that with a particular situation or story when you had to prove yourself. Scholarship's personal statement content that makes the essay unforgettable. First of all, your essay must be engaging and gripping. Think closely about each word you write, the appropriateness of lexis you use. Pretend to be a storyteller. Your essay should be smooth and understandable. Tell the most impressive facts about your life. Don't mention anything only to fill the word limit gap. It is better not to write anything rather than write something vapid. You have to keep in mind that each sentence must bring new information or reinforce the facts you have already told. One more important thing is that the story you begin in the first paragraph must be like a red thread till the conclusion. Don't devote each paragraph to a new story. Concentrate on the beginning and keep writing with the thought of it. Try not to transform your essay into a mess. The content must be structured and linked. The scholarship committee reads a ton of papers day by day. Therefore, they have an eye on the writing. The reader can easily define what person you are just having a look at your essay. Your essay aims to leave the reader with the feeling of completeness, to give an impression of you as a person they know well. Therefore, include all your best sides. Provide information about the activities you have taken and the achievements you have made. Elaborate on everything that is essential. Don't neglect to include the facts that can somehow impress or give additional data on why you are the perfect candidate to receive the scholarship allowance. Writing an essay for the scholarship may be hard and exhausting, but receiving the scholarship approval may be the most intriguing and important step of your life. Therefore, you have to make up your thoughts and be ready to allocate some time for the writing process. End of article. Remember the promo code and get help with editing and proofreading documents with essayedge.com. Bye.